let's just understand a bit for a while. This is a brilliant initiative, what I see, and it shows that we are seeking the science of innovation, creativity, and entrepreneurship, which is going to go a very long way. So I'm very happy to see that you've done some brilliant work. Though I have not gone through each of it, which I would really like to. So after lunch, we will be spending a great deal of time here and understanding what you're doing. But I want to just inform all of you that tomorrow we are doing the first Design Fest at Apparel House. Okay, and almost 25-30 schools from across Delhi NCR are coming to participate in that. So our objective was that whatever abhyas which you have done here should become the part of that activity. Okay, and a lot of students who are almost 100 plus students are coming, and they should witness what creative and innovative thinking can do. Okay, so be there. Tomorrow we will also do formal inauguration of this entire activity. So if anything is left out now, anything more you need to think, plan, and do, please do it today. All right, we have time till tomorrow 10 o'clock. 10:30 we will do the inauguration of this activity, and there will be also media and press from different newspapers and channels will be coming and interacting with you guys, and also covering the event which is going to happen downstairs. So this is the information which I just wanted to give it to all of you, right? So personally, I'm going to interact post lunch, which is at 2 p.m. And then we will see what more can be done so that tomorrow it becomes a huge activity. And the interesting part is why we are doing this activity, because Gurgaon is always called to be a millennium city, right? It does not have the character of millennium city. Everybody is talking about smart cities, everybody is talking about future cities. These are the words which are there. But smart city, future city, neither it has land nor sky, right? What kind of city it is? It doesn't have any sustainable model. It doesn't have the inclusion of design within a lot of activities which is taking place. So what's the use of a city like that? So all of us have to put together our minds that Gurgaon becomes one international city. But how it can become, right? That is where our imagination and creativity is going to play a role. So our focus tomorrow is City Gurgaon. And that is what even media and everybody is going to interact on. That okay, as a Gurgaon as a city, how it can develop and evolve with the imagination of youngsters like you who will become future professionals, right? So that is the objective, and I hope that it will become a significant activity. And if it goes very well, we intend to repeat every 6 months this activity to ensure that something interesting develops and being contributed back to the Gurgaon. All right.